Hello again, welcome back to my channel. It's Frances at Frances Brown Art, and I'm on a bit of a roll. I've been doing quite a few paintings today, and this one is I've been doing some kind of blowing out ones from the centre, so I'm going to see about doing another one of these. I'm really enjoying them actually, so I'm going to just pour a load of paint in the middle and then blow it out to the sides. See what happens. Different colours this time, more kind of towards green, a bit of gold, some yellow. Oh, I got a little bit in the white. Doesn't matter. Nothing really matters when you paint because it's just all to do with having a nice time, having a good time, just relaxing and enjoying the process. The purple's a little bit bitty. Not sure what that's about. So some green and then some of this really nice blue. So I reckon a little bit more of this on top, so this is my favourite. Turquoise green, blue, it reminds me of the sea. Okay, so I'm going to use my blower. Oh, I haven't got the microphone because I dropped my microphone into some paint earlier. So, oh, and I haven't put the light on. Oh, it's all going so well. Okay, so I hope you can hear me okay. And we're at quite central, so I'm going to start blowing out. Which way do we go? This way. I'm going to start blowing, put it into the middle a little, and we'll see what happens. Okay, ready? Here we go. Oops. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, can you see it all right? Where are we? There. Oh, I really like it. I'm going to get my fire onto it to blow any bubbles out. And I reckon that the cells, though, everything that's underneath, you see this like lacing? This is so, I don't know. This is new to me. I've kind of made this up earlier on and it worked really well. So I've done a couple of these now. I really like it. Ah, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm going to bring you down for a close-up, see what you think. Okay, here we go. Oh, I love these colours. Oh. And look at these nice cells that are coming up and this really, really pretty lacing. Oh, loving this. So what do you think? When it's dry, I'll put the dry results onto my Instagram at Frances_Brown_art. Otherwise, I'm well chuffed with this one. It's beautiful. So have a beautiful day, and I hope to see you soon. Okay, lots of love.